Man's putting in the work himself. He's got to get the wrap off to match his car.
I'm not just a customer. I'm a helper.
That's it. Make shit happen.
Yes.
Make shit. Not afraid to get his hands dirty.
Type shit. You know what I mean? Come to the shop. Pay and work.
I love it. I love it.
Shit.
Helping it tuck down just a little bit. It's the video you guys been waiting for. Exit 36. You guys see it. F-150 with a 20x12 American forged, the floating cap, red calipers. It looks beautiful. That three-piece wheel. Insane. There's actually true lefts and rights, so they're actually directional wheels. .35, 1250, 20s, Venoms. The change-up is coming soon. Change-up is coming soon on these. The slip is peeling here.
You got a shirt. That's why you got a shirt.
Two new tires in the front. Two good tires in the rear. Matching steering wheel.
Deals are gonna happen all day today, tomorrow, till Friday. I'm here, I'm out on Saturday. Listen guys, the deals are happening right now, 25 years anniversary. I got the old school 3 bars, baby. I found a set. Give me 800 bucks. 22's chrome, give me 800 bucks. I got some 24's black machine down here. I found a set of these too. Give me 1,000. 24's brand new wheels, give me 1,000. Not used, these are used prices. Give me 1,000 bucks. 800 bucks, 1,000. Listen, make me an offer. Call me on the phone. Coast to coast doing it, baby. Peace. What's going on, guys? Jeremy back at it again. I found some more deals for all you off-road guys. 22x12s, 24x12s. I got some hardcore wheels. I got some 22-inch chrome. And I got some 24-inch black machine. Both of them, either one you want, 1,000 bucks. Chrome or black machine. And I think I found some more in the back. Peace.
It was the inside. It's still a hole there, but yeah, that was.
Escalade on the Forgiato flows, Cadillac floating logos, coast to coast. "28-inch 5-lug with the choice of your floating cap. Cap always stays up in the middle. It's a floating center cap. You guys wanted the videos of all these. The 22s, clean set. Clean set. Little marks, nothing major. Got the float XL caps. 50112 fit the Benz, fit the Audi, BMW. We could drill it for other cars. Here's the whole set right here. Brush center chrome lift Forgiatos. 3,500 bucks. Deal, deal, deal. All black 6's Forgiato Girari. XL floating cap. It's all water spots, just got them cleaned up. Tires like new. Rims like new. Perfect condition. No scratches, no nothing. Mint. Madison Frost, those 33, 1250, 26-inch tires. Those floating Chevy logos. Skating down the street. Freaking beautiful, coast to coast customs. '30s, dub ballers, 5-on-5. Here's your deal of the day. Tires are all in good shape. Rims need to be touched up. 1,500 bucks.
Same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, just the 7 C's. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends.